I'm Edwin from Bionic Bird. For 15 years, we have been building exclusively Ornithopters. You know, those bird-like flying machines. To celebrate, we set out to create our most powerful one yet. Meet the Swift.
With the Swift, we went back to what matters: pure flight. We fine-tuned every detail: lightness, power, aerodynamics, and perfect balance. The result? 2 amazing flight modes in one clever design. It comes with 2 swappable tails, each with 5 settings, letting you choose between high-speed thrills and ultra-slow precision. Pop on the speed tail, and you've got a fast, agile flyer up to 31 kilometers per hour, as fast as a cruising pigeon. It's a blast for pros, but still accessible thanks to built-in flight assist. Outdoors, it's stable up to 15 kilometers per hour wind. Its lightweight design and smart electronics give you smooth, controlled flight, whether you're cruising a gym or dodging seagulls. Even the motors and batteries are not standard. Each component was specially developed with our manufacturers to adapt to our unique needs. This makes the Swift one of the most advanced and challenging ornithopters to produce. Switch to the wide tail and you can glide indoors at just 3.5 kilometers per hour, twice as slow as our last model. Takeoffs are easy from a table or floor, and flying in tight spaces feels effortless. It's also the easiest and most durable bionic bird we've ever made. No assembly needed except attaching the wings. Just place it down, tap your phone, and enjoy instant flight. For us, the Swift is a dream come true. Fast, fun, and incredibly easy to fly. We hope you'll love it as much as we do. Thanks for being part of the journey. See you in the skies.